Hello, dear viewers. Hello, Elena. Hello, Olga. We will be on first name terms because we know each other, of course. Today we decided to discuss an important topic in our opinion. We decided to talk about the quantum leap. What is quantum leap and how can humanity survive in these difficult times? In addition to military events, all kinds of natural disasters occur on Earth. Tsunamis, floods. By the way, information has appeared on the internet that many of these cataclysms are man-made. There are so-called HARPs all over the Earth. Solar flares and magnetic storms occur. In 14 years, the frequency of Schumann has increased more than 2 times. That is, the planet Earth has its own vibrations, and they're extremely important for synchronizing biorhythms and the normal existence of not only humans, but also all living things on Earth. This has a powerful impact on people's lives and health because the human body, as you know, has its own energy structure and vibration frequency. In order for people to feel comfortable, both physically and emotionally, it's necessary that the frequency of vibrations of the earth and man don't differ much from each other. Otherwise, there are deviations in health, immunity decreases. Yes, that the planet Earth is rapidly increasing the frequency of its vibrations. It is coming out itself of its dormant state and forcing humanity to raise its consciousness level as quickly as possible in order to adapt the human brain to function at such high frequencies. And in such a difficult time, people just need to learn how to control, to manage all reality, all events in order to survive. And we decided to draw the attention of the viewers of the channel to the unique information that is very relevant now. The scientist, doctor of physical and mathematical sciences, doctor of technical sciences, Grigory Petrovich Grabovoi, possessing unique abilities of controlling clairvoyance and forecasting, has repeatedly saved humanity and the entire Earth from destruction. For the first time, it was when he carried out work on extrasensory diagnostics and forecasting, according to expert opinion, with 100% accuracy of the state of aircraft equipment, and published it in 1995 in the publishing house Soprichastnost in the collection of protocols of results, practice of control, the way of salvation. In these works, the ability to predict even the impact of external random accidental factors, such as a bird getting into an airplane engine, has been proven. Any man made cybernetic systems are based only on previous data and will not be able to take into account accidental factors. With this, Grigori Grabovoi proved that humanity can predict the development and operation of technology and therefore can live and develop forever. This is equivalent to saving humanity, as it disarms those who consider humanity doomed to destruction due to the rapid development of man made and cybernetic systems that can get out of control. The second rescue case was described in Russian newspaper number 18, 1878, on January 30, 1998, under the heading Quiet Sensation in the article Disasters for Tomorrow Are Cancelled. It contains the fact, certified at the highest state level, that Grigory Grabovoi identified a defect at the Kozloduy nuclear power plant in Bulgaria, which could lead to an accident equal to many Chernobyls. Timely extrasensory diagnostics of the nuclear power plant carried out by Grigory Grabovoi, published in the Bulgarian media and transferred to the nuclear power plant personnel, led to the fact that the Earth didn't turn into a dust cloud. The technologies shared by Grigory Grabovoi allow people to develop their consciousness, increase the level of vibrations when a person's thoughts begin to be controlling. And here is about the quantum leap. We decided to once again draw the attention of the audience to a very interesting interview that Grigory Grabovoi gave to German television in May 2017. There, the journalist Michael Vogt asked several times questions specifically about the quantum leap. Many scientists and others see that we are now living in a special time, that there will be a kind of quantum leap that will change both the physical life of the Earth and people as well as consciousness. How should we treat such reflections about the quantum leap?
Как надо относиться к таким размышлениям о квантовом скачке?
Well, I can say that at the university, at school, at the university I studied German, and one day I had to read a book in German on quantum mechanics. And there was a certain point of view that a quantum leap is a certain high energy level. Given that there is a certain dual principle of organization of matter, that is, the microsubstance at the micro level can be considered both as a particle and as a wave, we can see that this direction is really of enormous importance in general, even from the physical point of view, from the point of view of raising the general energy status, which is precisely being considered in the form of a quantum leap. It is clear that there is a generalized point of view, but there is, for example, a professional point of view. For example, at the university, we had an annual course of quantum mechanics, and I can say from the point of view of known orthodox knowledge and from the point of view of the general perception of this direction, the quantum leap, that to solve the problems of raising a certain energy level, in order to solve endless questions of life, is in fact the only fundamental and the only true direction in development. Therefore, I'm now creating exactly the technologies that make it possible, in terms of a quantum leap, from the point of view of the energy level and the increase in this level, to reach such a level in timely manner that is included in the training program. With the help of various devices as well, such as, for example, the device for the development of the concentrations of eternal life, PRK1U, to train all people faster, even those who were not familiar with this side of life. Because you need, of course, timeliness for eternal life, since this task is for eternal life for all. And in this connection, I can say that I, of course, developed this direction and try to make it accessible in this criterion for everyone.
Быстрее обучать всех людей, даже тех, которые были не знакомы с этой стороной жизни, потому что для вечной жизни нужно, конечно, своевременность, так как эта задача стоит для вечной жизни для всех. И в связи с этим могу сказать, что я это направление, естественно, развиваю и стараюсь, чтобы оно было доступным в этом критерии для всех.
I hope everyone has heard a quantum leap is a certain higher energy level. Grigory Grabovoi creates technologies that allow, from the point of view of a quantum leap, from the point of view of the energy level and increasing this level, to achieve such a level in a timely manner, which is included in the training program, including using various devices, such as, for example, the device for the developing the concentration of eternal life, PRK1U. Yes, and here is another answer by Grigory Grabovoi, very important, just about the role of PRK1U in the quantum leap process. Does this device play its role in the global quantum leap process? We have just discussed it. And if so, what kind of?
Если да, то какую?
Yes, as I said, if we start from orthodox physics, where the quantum leap is another energy level, then accordingly it is the increase in energy. The increase in the energy level is being realized by the structure of the quantum leap precisely from the point of view of ensuring eternal life. That is, in the conditions of very different complicated mechanisms of quantum leap, the device gives a clear program that leads man faster. In some cases, with the help of the device, man can master the basic control structures in the case when he needs to work quickly within the framework of the action at the time of the quantum leap. Therefore, it precisely realizes this task when everyone in the quantum leap get eternal life and eternal development.
Он как раз-таки и реализует эту задачу, когда все в квантовом скачке получают вечную жизнь, вечное развитие.
What is it possible, once again to the topic of the quantum leap, to recommend to people so that they can live through it, get along more harmoniously? I consider that people need to be attuned and set the eternal life as a task for each one and all, ensuring eternal life, that is, for each one and for all in the physical body. And this task makes it possible to solve issues concerning not only, for example, the quantum leap, but also some other following levels of development. For example, when man will have achieved eternal life, man will get other structures of tasks and development, which are being realized now for many people. Once again, a quantum leap is a different energy level. Then, accordingly, we are talking about an increase in energy, an increase in the energy level. Let's think again about this phrase, which was uttered by Grigory Grabovoi. In the conditions of very different complex mechanisms of a quantum leap, the device gives a clear program that leads a person more quickly, in some cases with the help of the device. It is a person who can master the basic control structures when he needs to work quickly within the framework of an action during a quantum leap. Therefore, it realizes this task precisely when everyone in the quantum leap get eternal life, eternal development. Olga, I would also like our viewers to pay special attention to this last phrase, that the device implements this task when everyone in a quantum leap get eternal life, eternal development. What does it mean? After all, in fact, we are talking about eternal life in a physical body on earth, about immortality, about the resurrection of the departed, about the transformation of all objects of physical reality in the direction of eternal development. If we remember the well-known lines from the Bible, from the first epistle to the Corinthians of St. Paul the Apostle, then everything will immediately fall into place. Behold, I show you a mystery. We shall not all sleep, but we shall all be changed in a moment, in the twinkling of an eye, at the last trumpet. For the trumpet will sound, and the dead will be raised imperishable, and we shall be changed. For this corruptible must put on incorruption, and this mortal must put on immortality. This is the same thing that Grigory Grabovoi says about eternal life on earth. All of us, all of humanity, were standing on the threshold of a new world. I think we are very lucky. Grigory Grabovoi not only reveals the knowledge that eternal life is possible, but also tells how to live forever. He gives control technologies with the help of one's own consciousness, soul, and spirit to achieve this goal. In fact, this is the very trumpet that calls all awakening people to bring this moment of transformation of all life on earth towards eternal development. The device for developing concentrations of eternal life, PRK1U, created by Grigory Grabovoi, is a huge help to humanity at this stage of development. And in order for people to try to work with the subtle matter of eternal life so that they could understand how to get in touch with the device, Grigory Grabovoi provided the opportunity for 2 days of free testing with the PRK1U device. Are you, as a teacher of Grigory Grabovoi's teaching, already conducting webinars about the device in English or French? I am preparing a program and will announce webinars soon. The schedule will definitely be published. There is an option. Under the video that we are recording today, put a schedule of webinars, actually consultations, about free testing. I already do this in Russian under the video, which is an invitation to such a consultation. We can address the audience right now. Yes, come on. Dear viewers, please, we are ready to tell you about the device for the development of concentrations of eternal life, PRK1U, about how to pass a 2-day free testing with the device. For the successful passage of a quantum leap, when, with the help of the PRK1U device, a person can master the basic control structures using his consciousness, soul, and spirit. I conduct webinars in Russian, English, and French, and have a lot of good results while using controlling technologies of Grigory Grabovoi. Please contact us. We, as teachers of the Education Center for Training the Teachings of Grigory Grabovoi, we conduct both optional webinars and consultations on PRK1U. Please follow the announcements. Thank you for your attention and wish you eternal and harmonious life. Thank you